Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Poe and Lala are at the farm. They're waiting for their friends Dipsy and Tinky Winky, who are arriving on the green tractor. It's time to hop off. We are going to meet some farm animals today. Farmer Joe drives the green tractor away. Our first animal has arrived. It's Kitty. What does Kitty say?
Meow.
Excuse us, Kitty. We're going to open the barn and learn about the animals. Our first animal is behind this door. What animal is this?
Duck.
What color is the duck?
Yellow.
And what does the duck say?
Quack, quack, quack.
Now it's time to open the green door and enter the barn. Ooh. Dipsy finds an animal. What is it?
Pig.
And what did pig say? What color is the pig?
Pink.
What animal has Tinky Winky found?
A horse.
And what does the horse say?
Neigh, neigh.
What animal has Poe found?
Sheep.
Or if it's a baby, it's called a lamb. What does a sheep say?
Ba, ba, ba.
What animal has Lala found?
Cow.
And what does a cow say?
Moo, moo.
What color is the cow?
White with black spots.
Now that we've met all the farm animals, it's time to go outside and learn about vegetables in the garden.
Cucumbers. Corn. Carrots. Yay. Peas. Lettuce. Pumpkin. Green pepper. Mushrooms.
Well, it's time for the Teletubbies to head home. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.